Two dudes in the front and one in the middle don't have smoke.
The one in the middle does.
Oh, yeah. Is your phone just like Libby's?
No.
Oh. You missed all the rest of it. Oh, where's some arrows? Yep, that's one.
I'm gonna die.
I feel like going in the fountain. Oh, that one just Then that goes too loud. Like, the one that goes too loud? Yeah. Good job. You're gonna die. Yeah, he's just watching him soaring.
You can't see him.
No, he's going up there now. You can't see him now.
I can't see him.
I can. I see him now. You can parachute in.
He didn't parachute.
Two guys in there. Oh.
You can't see him.
He's going that way. See him right up over there. Well, if they go too high, they're they will have to jump out. I saw if they go too high, they have to jump out. Their engines won't work no more. Or they could start a fire. But it's like that atmosphere. Yep, this is just falling off.
Oh my God.
That's what how you different things. They got radio or things that teach us. Oh, there's a police boat. I talk. Why your police boat out? There's none of that. What kind of boats are those?
They don't have to be.
How would they serve players? How could they serve players?
Not if you can ask them something extra
Well,
to that engine to go faster.
Be upside down on my way to them. Yep, dude, they're really low. They're gonna hit that. That boat.
They're not gonna hit the boat.
Here, I'll jump on one of the boats right now. That's all. They're making an arrow. There's 3 boats lined up. Well, more than 3 boats. Is that it? Nope. I still see it. Yep, that's it.
Can I help you, sir? I'm recording too.
Are you?
Yeah.
You recording?
Uh.
The handsomest guy in the park, right?
Oh yeah.
Me? Well,
Where'd they go?
there. That's done. Now Jimmy go in the fountain. They're all over there still. They're over there. Flying that way. See, they're all right there, Dad. Coming this way. Those look like black ones. They're flying over. Oh, that looks like. Hey, Dad, look at that. Those look like different ones.
They're not. They're the same plane.
They're flying upside down. This other. This other.
This phone. My phone's getting hot from being in the sun.
Nope, they're turning around.
Oh, this is a party sky. You guys watch from us. I'll play here.
We're all still together. You walk up and see the boats, mate.
They're right there. I was gonna come and ask you. They're right over there, Dad. Right there.
Kind of cool. Oh, you can see it. You can see.
But you can see it.
It's clear. I don't want to drop my phone. That's like new. That's picture. Like, you never see that. If you go by the firehouse, you see clear water like that.
I watched my rock thing.
Liz, be careful.
I did.
You guys be careful by the oh, hell. Watch it.
The water next to clear. Yeah, you can see. Where is that? Oh, I just took a picture of it. Well, you can't see it. What? Where?
It's kind of off. I don't know. It's clear-ish. It's like nasty, like green.
gonna tell you. Oh, I'm gonna have to tell you.
Bleh.